back to Fitness Truth TV. Today we're going to make an absolutely delicious, healthy dessert. It's probably my favorite one. It's called a healthy cookies and cream blizzard. Now, most of you that follow us know about our up day, down days. I'm going to be showing you the up day version. To make the down day version, you simply eliminate the Oreos. That's the only difference. But our ingredients today are very minimal, as most of our recipes are. We have almond milk, which we are huge fans of, silk almond milk. We have reduced fat Oreo cookies and cookies and cream protein. So what we're going to start off doing, this recipe, and of course, as I mentioned always, your particular plan that you're following, you can reduce or alter the portion sizes based on your plan. But we're going to start off with 6 reduced fat Oreos. We're going to put them in our Ninja, which we talk about a lot. Put the topper on, and with nothing else in it, just a couple swipes. We've got ground up Oreos, and what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this into another dish here, and we're going to leave a little bit in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, for this particular, I'm going to put a couple scoops in, but like I said, you can adjust it based on whatever you want. For thickness, because we aren't using fruit like I've showed you in previous ones, we're going to add in some ice and almond milk. This gives the flavoring of this. It's just incredible, the flavoring that it gives this. So we have everything in there. We've left a little bit of the Oreos in there to kind of give it that blizzard type of effect, and we just start it up. Let's check it to see the consistency of it. You might, I'm going to probably add in just a little bit of extra ice. Awesome. Nice and thick. Okay, so now what we're going to do, you can take whatever dish you want. We're going to use this. We're going to just kind of spoon in about half into the bottom. Jen, take a look at how thick that is again, as we showed previously. And what we're going to do now, we're just going to start spooning that in. We're going to top it with our remaining Oreos. And now let me walk this over to Jen so she can take a look at this. This looks incredible. And I'm going to actually hand this over.
What?
Jen, take a bite. How good is that?
It's really good.
So like we said, once again, this is the up day version. The down day version is you just want to add the Oreos to it. This is a I'm telling you, when you eat this, it tastes just like a regular Blizzard. And you're getting something that is very low in fat, high in protein, and moderate in carbohydrates. This is an excellent dessert. Give it a try. You'll see the recipes and how to make it in the scrolling credits. Thanks for joining.